Hey everybody, Chris Belote here with Innovative Marketing. I am joined today by Kevin Oliver with Oliver Tax Group. First off, let me say something. I have worked with a ton of tax and accounting people out there, and I'm telling you right now, nobody is better than Kevin. He knows his stuff. If you need tax preparation help, accounting help, anything for your business, personal, whatever it is, Kevin is the man. Kevin, how you doing?
I'm doing great, man. Thanks. Thanks a lot, buddy. I
Yes,
appreciate that
sir.
intro.
Absolutely. And Kevin, I brought you on today. I just had a few questions for you about kind of us working together on your marketing efforts, if that works for you.
It does. Go for it.
All right. So, could you kind of tell us a little bit about your experiences with, if you've ever worked with like a marketing agency before, lead gen
Yeah.
companies, or anything to that effect, and kind of what your experience was like prior to working with us?
Yeah. I'd actually worked with one marketing company a few years back, and I didn't get any results from it. There wasn't online visibility, which in the accounting world, the professional world, with kind of word of mouth marketing, and it works great. But when you're trying to grow and build a practice, you need a little bit of a bump. There were firms that aren't even practicing anymore that were ranking higher, and in this world that we're in now, people are on their phones. People are looking for something near them, and then
Right.
those reviews and all that. So I had a really good thing. It's just people couldn't see it. So it was pretty much all word of mouth. The company that I worked with for about 6 months, man, I just didn't get anywhere with it. I didn't. And it was expensive and no results. And so we had to go another direction on that. Yeah.
Got it. Totally understand. And do you know how long we've worked together roughly? Would you say about what, 6 months?
Yeah, I would say about 6 months' time. I think we started working together in August. And so here we are rolling into tax season, Valentine's Day yesterday. So the
Absolutely.
timing of getting this started was something that I kind of took a leap of faith with on it. And it's worked out great, man. Worked out great.
Awesome. And in the time that we've worked together, could you share, like, I mean, what your experience has been in terms of, I mean, how have the new leads, how's the lead quantity been, and how has the lead quality been for you?
That's a really, really good question. Um, One thing that you hesitate with when it comes to overall marketing that is different than word of mouth marketing is that word of mouth, you kind of have a feel for who's coming your way. You were referred by this person, this medical practice referred, hey, I've got a doctor that, so you kind of have that. So I was thinking, well, if this works, what kind of leads am I going to get? Well, first, I'll tell you that in the first 3 months, like you said, it takes time.
Right.
Um, but man, it's like somebody flipped on a switch, and it happened at a really good time going into January. And when we get calls from clients, of course, we ask, how did you hear about us? We want to know
Right.
where this is coming from. Um, and I've always gotten calls here and there, hey, I found you on Google, but it was very few and far between. I
Sure.
can tell you that in the past 8 weeks alone, okay, my incoming calls, non word of mouth, completely Google online, organic, where'd you hear about me from Google, have increased by 166% compared to
Wow.
this time last year.
Wow.
And so I'm talking with these people on the phone. It's like, where'd you hear about me? It's like, oh, I found you on Google. I'm like, man, I need to take Mr. Google out for a beer or something. This is great. Well, you're Mr. Google. You've done great. So these are great leads. I mean, Rockwall is a wonderful community of amazing people. So I'm going to go ahead and give that to my town, Rockwall.
Absolutely.
Um, but they have been doctors. They have been everybody from Joe the plumber. There was actually a Joe the plumber. There have been clients that are new to the area. They're coming from California. They're coming from Utah, all over the place. These have been business clients. These have been small business owners and married couples that just need more information about what in the world is going on with the tax situation. So I would say something important to get out is that out of all of the people that have reached out to me from Google, 100% of them have become clients of this firm.
Wow.
100%.
Amazing.
That's like I say, we're doing something really special here, and we try. But you can make the best burger in town, but if nobody knows you're there, they're not going to eat
That's
it. And
true.
so we've got great clients, man. It's been exactly what we've imagined. It's continuing. It's growing.
Love
It
it.
allowed me to bring on a full-time employee. We had to grow to accommodate the growth so that we can make clients still feel like we're a small firm. We want to give them that attention. But
Absolutely.
man, it's like the lights turned on, man. It's
Awesome.
been fantastic. It's been great.
And you highlighted it, but another question is kind of like how has this new business helped your business and you in your personal life? But you just mentioned it. You were able to bring on additional help
That's right.
uh, to help with the business as well. So that's
Yeah,
awesome.
you take a leap of faith because in marketing it's very hard to quantify what you're spending your money on,
Right.
and it's challenging. So this wasn't a billboard for me. How'd you hear about us? Was it the billboard? No, I mean this was literally calls coming in that they found me online, and it's because of that online visibility
Right.
that these calls are coming in. So
And the
man, I
awesome
just
social proof that you built up. I mean,
yeah.
it's that like we're all in that Amazon mindset, right? Whoever's got the
Mhm.
highest rated product that's visible gets purchased. It's the same thing
That's
uh,
right.
for local services, and you've done a great job at that with your social proof reviews from current clients, past clients, and
Right.
it's it
We
makes it easy for a searcher to call you.
Yeah, yeah, it's our clients are fantastic. We love every single one of them. But again, you can have the best of the best, but if you're not visible, then they're going to end up calling a place that maybe they didn't realize they need to go. Because it's hard for people to know what a good firm is and what a good firm isn't. They just don't know. So this has allowed me to talk to a ton of people. This time last year, I was talking to one or two new people a week,
Right.
and that was from Google. Let's say that's this time of year. It's a busy time of year. I'm talking to at least one or two new people a day at this point. And with me having been doing this for so many years, I know beyond a shadow of a doubt that it's not just word of mouth marketing. It's not. It's not just, well, I've been around for a while, so naturally you're going to have people that are going to find you
Sure.
and reach out to you. No, this is something noticeably significant. And I think that's worth all of this here, man. So you guys have done a great job, and keep them coming. This is working great. I'm able to help a lot of people, and that's it. That's why I'm here.
And yeah, we love the partnership and can't wait to see where you're going. What would you say?
Yeah,
Last question for you. What would you say
yeah.
to somebody that is it wants to work with us, but they're on the fence. They're not sure.
Well, I would say I was right there. I was there. I was in the same spot that you're in because you're concerned about spending money to a company that's going to talk a lot up front and not do anything.
Right.
And it's hard for me, and I'm kind of IT savvy, but I'm like, man, so what are they doing in the background? I kind of want to know the mechanics of all.
Right.
At the end of the day, it worked. And I've talked with other companies and other clients that I work with that I'm able to kind of get a feel for what they've experienced too.
Sure.
So in the spot that I'm in, talking with this client and that client, and hey, how has this worked for you? And man, you do work for other people that I work with. And so for me, it was a little bit easier because I had a little inside scoop that this is the real deal, and it worked out great. It worked out wonderfully. So if you're on the fence, I don't blame you for being there. But if
Right.
you've got a good product and you care about the people that you work with, people have to find out about it. And innovative marketing, Chris, you've just done a great job. Your team's done a great job, man. I just can't thank you enough.
I appreciate you, Kevin. Thank you so much for your
Yeah,
time.
yeah. Thank you, man. Thank you.